Hey, everyone, welcome back to Minsights. If you're new here, I'm Pearson, and today we've got something really exciting to talk about. If you're a fan of motorcycles or just love everything on two wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our deep dives, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Z900. Let's get started. All right, let's jump into it. Kawasaki has been known for producing some of the most exhilarating high-performance bikes, and the Z900 is no exception. For 2026, this machine is getting some significant updates and improvements, which we're going to break down for you. Whether you're a fan of Kawasaki's iconic Z series or you're just discovering it, this bike promises to deliver a thrilling experience like no other. The Z900 has always been a favorite among riders who are looking for a powerful, aggressive naked bike that doesn't compromise on comfort and practicality. It sits between the Z650 and the flagship Zone 50, combining the perfect balance of performance, style, and agility. But what makes the 2026 version stand out? Well, let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. Kawasaki really knows how to make a statement when it comes to the look of their bikes. The Z900, even in previous models, has always had that aggressive, futuristic appearance, and the 2026 model just takes it up a notch. The bike retains that signature Z-Series look with its sharp, angular lines and aggressive stance, but for 2026, we see some refinements that add a touch of modernity. The headlight now has a more defined angular design, and the front fender has been slightly updated for better aerodynamics. The tank shape remains muscular and sculpted, giving it that ready-to-strike attitude. Kawasaki has also added some new paint schemes for the 2026 model, including a sleek matte finish and a more vibrant color palette. The matte colors give it a premium look, while the brighter shades add a bit of flash without being too over the top. The Z900 is also still quite compact in terms of size, making it an easy bike to maneuver, whether you're on the streets or carving through corners. The ergonomics have been subtly adjusted, giving it a slightly more comfortable and refined rider position without sacrificing the bike's aggressive character. Now let's dive into what really matters, the performance. The Z900 is powered by a 948cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine that delivers an impressive amount of power. For 2026, Kawasaki has refined the engine even further with slight adjustments to the fuel mapping, exhaust, and intake systems. What does this mean in terms of real-world performance? More power and better throttle response. The bike continues to produce around 125 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque, but Kawasaki has worked on making the power delivery smoother, especially in lower rev ranges. This makes the bike more accessible to riders who might be looking for something less aggressive when commuting, but still packs a punch when you're pushing it hard on open roads. One of the highlights of the Z900 is its versatility. Whether you're riding through city traffic, hitting the highway, or attacking tight corners on your favorite twisty road, this bike excels. The torque curve is nicely spread, so you'll always have enough grunt to get you out of tricky situations, and the 6-speed transmission is smooth and efficient. When it comes to handling Shulawa, Kawasaki's engineers have worked hard to make sure the Z900 delivers both stability and agility. The bike features a 40-on-M inverted front fork, which provides better front-end feel and more precise handling compared to the traditional telescopic forks found on many competitors in the class. The rear suspension is a monoshock, which can be adjusted for preload and rebound damping, allowing riders to dial in the ride to suit their preferences. Whether you're doing a longer tour or pushing the bike through some aggressive corners, the suspension does a great job of keeping things balanced. The overall frame of the bike is a trellis-style steel design, which helps with rigidity and contributes to the bike's agile handling. The Z900 has always been known for its maneuverability, and the 2026 model continues this legacy with an updated frame geometry that offers better stability in both straight lines and corners. Safety and braking are another big part of the Z900's appeal. The 2026 model comes with dual 300mm front discs and a single 250-inch rear disc. This setup, combined with the updated calipers, ensures you've got plenty of stopping power when you need it. Kawasaki has also incorporated the latest generation of ABS, which is more responsive and helps prevent wheel lockup in wet or slippery conditions. You'll find that the bike's braking performance is both predictable and efficient, which gives you that extra confidence whether you're riding aggressively or just cruising through the city. The 2026 Z900 isn't just about raw power and aggressive looks. Kawasaki has added a whole host of tech features to improve both the rider's experience and the bike's performance. First, let's talk about the TFT display. The Z900 now comes with a full-color TFT display, which is a big upgrade over the previous model's analog setup. The screen is bright, clear, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. It displays all the key information you need, including speed, RPM, gear position, and fuel level, along with some customizable features to suit your riding preferences. Another great feature is the updated Kawasaki traction control system. This system is fully adjustable, allowing riders to choose between different modes to suit their riding style and road conditions. Whether you're tackling wet roads or trying to get the most out of the bike on dry tarmac, the traction control gives you more control without feeling intrusive. The Z900 also comes with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone with the bike for things like navigation, music control, and even phone calls while on the move. This adds a level of convenience for those who want a more connected riding experience. While the Z900 is a performance-oriented bike, Kawasaki has made sure that comfort doesn't take a back seat. The seat is well cushioned, and the ergonomics allow for a fairly relaxed riding position, even for longer rides. The handlebar position is slightly higher than on some sportier bikes, which reduces strain on your back and wrists, making it more comfortable for daily commuting or longer tours. The bike also features a more user-friendly seat height, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Whether you're shorter or taller, you'll find that the Z900 is relatively easy to get on and off, and its low weight, around 210 kg, or 463 pounds per square inch, ensures that it's manageable in tight situations, like parking or maneuvering through city traffic. Let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900 is positioned in the middle of the naked bike market. It's not as expensive as some of the flagship models from other manufacturers, but it still offers a ton of value for what you're getting. The price starts around $9,500, depending on your location and any additional accessories or packages you choose to add. For the price, you're getting a well-rounded, powerful bike that can be used for a variety of riding styles, from daily commuting to spirited weekend rides. It offers excellent performance, solid tech features, and great ergonomics, all wrapped up in a stylish and aggressive design. A few feet. Oh, how aggressive is that on most days? But sometimes you just need a slight boost to get you going in the right direction. So what's it like to ride the 2026 Z900? In short, it's exhilarating. The bike's performance is absolutely fantastic. You can feel the power and torque as soon as you twist the throttle, and the bike's handling is nimble enough to take on tight corners without hesitation. Whether you're zipping through traffic or carving up some twisty roads, the Z900 offers a very engaging riding experience. The updated suspension and improved braking make the bike feel more composed at high speeds, and the electronics add an extra layer of safety and convenience. The Z900 really is a bike that makes you feel connected to the road, and it rewards riders who want to push it to its limits. So there you have it, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900. It's got everything you could want in a naked bike: performance, style, technology, and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into the world of motorcycles, the Z900 offers something for everyone. If you're looking for a bike that can deliver thrilling performance, cutting-edge features, and a killer design, then the 2026 Z900 is definitely worth considering. Kawasaki has done an amazing job of refining an already fantastic motorcycle, and the updates for 2026 make it even more impressive. So what do you think about the new Z900? Are you excited to see it in person? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.